Guys, we're back.
So apparently, hold on. So what happened was, this little beaker spilled all over the table, and
Why did you dump it again?
crap, I didn't know it was full. But yeah, we're not using this anymore. It doesn't look like an actual beaker, anyways. Unlike, so this is a beaker, and then this is like a container.
Okay, so should we get some soap?
I guess. Hope it does. I hope it doesn't make a mess though.
Yeah.
Guess and mess. Wait, I forgot I used a bottle of bubble solution as a beaker. And then so we got this one. This one's a bit empty, so I'm just gonna bam. Well, this is not really a beaker. It's just a conical flask. I'm gonna fill it back up.
Is this soap?
That's dish soap. Wait, what if I used it as food coloring? To fill up this flask more. Oh, it's bubbling! It's bubbling! Dude, look, it's bubbling. My beaker is bubbling.
Oh, it's probably because you put dish soap in.
Yeah. Hopefully this doesn't leave any residue over our table. Putting more of this element into the beaker. There. It should be good. So now this is a conical flask. We got hand soap. Wait, remember when we used to wash our hands with dish soap?
Yeah. Wait, we need.
And remember when we were babies, we would have to take a bath in the sink?
Yeah.
Wait, what if I put soap in this one? There, let's shake it.
What are we gonna use to stir?
Crap. Something tall and skinny. The spoon. Can use the spoon to mix it in. Let's use the other end. Just stir. Just stir it straight to the flask. I don't know why, but it looks like these beakers are smaller than the flask, despite beakers being the same size as flasks. I think we're almost done. It smells like science.
If your thing has a lid, you can shake it to stir it.
I'm pretty sure this beaker doesn't have a lid.
Shake.
Like, only the test tubes have lids.
Yeah.
This is like this. I think this is a test tube and a beaker combined.
Yeah.
Wait, you can make bubble solution out of that?
Yeah. I'm gonna put some dish soap in here.
Oh my god, we're doing actual science. So how long should this video be?
Oh, I have an idea.
I'm gonna get my lab coat.
Okay. Is mine here?
I think so.
Go get it.
Alright, found mine.
Guys, we will be right back. Actually, nah. We're gonna make if we want our video to be longer, we're gonna just make my different parts, but it's not gonna be called part. It's just gonna continue. Continue. I have no idea what I said. Pay respect for this man.
Now I feel like a scientist.
Did you find mine?
Sadly, no. Alright, so I got my lab coat, I got some beakers and flasks and test tubes.
You name it. So, what are we making here? This is like the Roblox game Chemistry Lab,
Yeah, I'll be right back.
where we basically make like different like chemicals and stuff. Wait, should we try to make like carbon dioxide? Let's not do that. Sorry about that. It's been 5 minutes, so we need 5 more minutes. Raingust! Come here. We have 5 more minutes left.
We're gonna make, like, when we stop,
Wait.
we're gonna stop, and then we can make a continued and then continue.
Wait, what? Wait.
We're gonna make 3 continued versions.
Great idea, so they can be like separate videos?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Sounds like a plan in the name of chemistry and science.
Okay, you can solo while I try to find my jacket.
You mean your lab coat?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not making carbon dioxide. Where am I gonna put this quote-unquote beaker? Right here is good. Ew. This is why you don't sniff from beakers. Anyways. Man, I hate doing science all solo and stuff. I need more company. Wait, let's see if this fits. Yep, the beaker fits. Perfect. Now we got ourselves a lab. Wait. I think I have an idea here. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll see. Now we can take that out and just put it, I think, oh, here's good. And then we can just place that there. Bam! Now this is looking a lot like a lab, and we can place our element creator here. Raingust, 3 minutes. But yeah, look what I did to the lab. Doesn't it look cooler now?
Yeah.
It's like an actual science lab. Anyways, did you find your lab coat? Oh man. We have 2 minutes left, so you need to hurry. This is gonna be boring. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's fill this up more. Let's see if this is fiddlesticks. I'll have to use this one. Guess I'm using different test tubes and beakers.
We can make it like 14 minutes.
How long was part 1?
We haven't, this is part 1.
Oh.
Well, this is.
Oh, now I get it. Yeah, what should we... I'm gonna see if we have any more, like, safe, compounds for our experiment.
Okay, I'll edit this time. I'll get my own stand. Actually, I'm gonna get a golden retriever straw. Well,
You mean the spoon? I think it's supposed to be like a mixing stick.
Perfect for science. Wait, what if we stir into this beaker, or container rather, because this doesn't have measuring units like an actual beaker. That one's empty. I poured the last of it into this. Okay, it's 12 p.m. right now, so we should be on our lunch break, so we'll be back.
Okay, we're back.
We're back. So part 2 will be 5 minutes, since I'm pretty sure like 10 minutes passed in part 1. So yeah.
So we're gonna do 4 minutes of this.
Yeah, 4 or 5. I'm not sure.
Let's do 4.
Okay. That way you don't take up a lot of storage. Still don't know what we should be.
Still don't know what.
We're gonna do with all this lab stuff.
Yeah. Maybe we should.
I mean, I do like science, but at the same time, kind of find it boring whenever like it's solo and stuff.
Yeah. Or just duo.
Like
if we just.
Like I am like a big fan of like chemistry and stuff, but like I said, I do not like doing it solo.
Like if it's just soap and water, it's not really that fun.
Just shaking up the test tubes. I'll shake up this really big beaker. So I think, let's call this like a flask, and then so these will be beakers, and then this is a test tube. There. Because it's so big and has a lot of liquid in it, it means it's also extremely heavy. This time I am keeping my nostrils away from the flask. Should be good. There. Have to be real careful. You have to be real careful in science. This is a lesson for the future. If you want to work at a chemistry lab, this is like a little like science safety lessons. So one, do not sniff from any flasks or beakers and stuff.
If it's not soap and water, don't.
Well, actually, you know what? Just don't drink or sniff any fluid at all, because there's actually a bunch of chemicals that look like water that could actually be poisonous. Like, who knows? Maybe this flask could be full of like rubbing alcohol.
Yeah.
Why is this completely white?
I put soap in it.
Now this has a lid, so it's safe to sniff it. Unless the lid is off, then you can't.
I mean, if it's soap and you know it's soap.
I mean, you can't drink soap though.
Yeah.
That'd be like poisonous. You could be vomiting all over your floor.
I'm trying to make a whirlpool.
I feel like we're working at an actual chemistry lab. We're like working as actual scientists. I am not experimenting on this stuff. Don't worry. Just doing some satisfying clay cracking. I have 2 minutes left already. Oh, you're spilling some. Also, you don't need to fill that up all the way. So yeah, I just got this flask a couple days ago, so it's brand new, and we don't want to like mess it up. Like, we don't want to experiment on it too much. We've done lots of experiments with these beakers, but like this test tube, lots of the test tubes that I had in the experiments, some shattered. I know all of these beakers and flasks and test tubes are actually made of plastic, but still.